How to connect a hosting your domain to Shopify. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. Let me guide it through quick and easy and how you can connect hosting your domain to Shopify. Well, to connect a domain purchased from Hostinger to your Shopify store, you'll need to configure the domain's DNS settings in your Hostinger account and verify the connection within your Shopify admin. This involves adding specific records to your Hostinger DNS, and after you have done so, you want to head into accounts.shopify.com and proceed to login to your admin. So you want to head into admin.shopify.com basically. Once you're here, you want to tap on the hamburger icon or the list of options here, tap on profile and then my store. You can see here. Now I have finished my free trial, but here you'll get the option at the left hand side, and from that list of options what you'll get is the domains option. You want to tap on the domains option there and proceed to connect your Hostinger domain. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.